Hello, and welcome to this meditation for pain relief. I'm Sara Raymond with the Mindful Movement. Thank you for practicing with me today. We often resist pain. We don't like to be uncomfortable, and we may push it down or try to mask the pain. This resistance to the sensations in our body, the negative associations with these feelings, can cause additional suffering. While this meditation practice is not a substitute for medical treatment if needed, it can help to ease your suffering and find the positive to connect with. Now let us begin. I invite you to find ease and as much comfort as you can today. Lie down or sit up on a chair in a position that allows you to be fully supported. If it feels right to you, close your eyes and with a relaxed awareness, welcome your attention to turn inward to your internal energy. Without making any changes, simply notice how you are arriving to this meditation practice. What is showing up for you right now? Without judgment, without expectations. Look inward. Inviting your attention now to move slowly over your physical sensations. Begin at the top of your head and scan your body's sensation from the inside, with a flowing attention all the way down to the soles of your feet. As your attention moves from one part of your body to another, pause and linger on any areas that seem to be asking for your attention. Give each of these sensations the notice that it is needing. Your body is your anchor for this meditation. If you find that your mind has wandered off into a story or thoughts about something, lovingly bring it back to the current experience of your sensations. Notice any areas of your body where you are experiencing feelings, and simply be with the sensations without labeling good or bad, or telling a story of why these sensations are here. Stay with the felt sense of the sensation and let go of your ideas about it. Notice if you skip over or avoid any areas as you scan. And perhaps circle back to that area and notice what's there. Welcome anything and everything that you are feeling. And perhaps take a moment to thank your body for its ability to feel the sensations. Be with the actual experience of your body and let go of your resistance to the experience. What would it be like for you to encourage a release, a letting go of any tension as you move your awareness over your body? Let go of your attention and attachment to what isn't working for you. Let go of what is no longer serving you. This tension was there to serve you at one moment, but you can let it go now. Once your awareness reaches your feet, bring it back to the top of your head and begin again. And this time, as your attention flows through your body, focus on any areas of ease and softness within your body. Notice where you might be experiencing a sense of peace. Sense the quality of this area, even if it is the smallest area. Fully experience the area of your body where you are feeling ease. Invite these areas of ease to spread. We know what we focus on expands. Welcome your sense of peace to move and grow, expanding outward. Connect with what is good and allow the good to radiate outward. What would it be like for you to experience a feeling of love and kindness for your body right now? Breathe this in. Offer a sense of gratitude towards everything that your body does for you automatically. Stay with this good. This positive is an opening for your attention. Go through the opening and invite in more of what is good. Thank your body for what it does well. Offer each and every part of your body love and thanks. Feel every part of your body, skin, bones, organs, and energy. Maybe even your heart beating. And send each part love and kindness. Perhaps you may find it difficult to send love to an area of chronic pain or dis-ease. That is okay. Do your best to be with everything that is part of you. Stay with the sensations a short while longer and continue to build on the sensations of ease, of softness, of peace that are within you. invite the good to radiate outward. Send gratitude and love to each and every part of your beautiful body, heart, and soul. The more connected to your body and aware you become, the more you see that your body speaks your mind, and it speaks important messages if you are willing and open to listen. When it feels right to you, let just a little light in through your eyes, staying with the pleasure as your attention moves from inside to outside of you. And then gently close your eyes once more. Recapture the space of your meditation, the space of ease in your body. And finally, when you are ready, open your eyes again and know that the ease is always within you, and it expands when you focus on it. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you have a peaceful day.